Napanood niyo na ba ang pelikulang Our Brand is Crisis? Panoorin niyo. Nakakatakot dahil halos parehong-pareho ang istorya ng pelikula sa ginagawa kampanya ni Mayor Duterte. Huwag naman sanang mangyari ito sa atin. Ang pelikulang ito ay tungkol sa presidential election sa Bolivia, kung saan ang isang kandidato ay nangulelat sa survey dahil sa hindi magandang katauhan nito. Katulad ni Duterte, siya ay palamura.
Back with a new positive attitude.
Just keep that fucking hippopotamus away from me. No problem. Okay?
Putang ina ka, umuwi ka ng...
Babaero.
I have to ask you, is this real? Does your wife know about this affair?
My wife lives in America and she knows.
Well, that's not good
This is
enough,
all
sir.
part of the past.
That's not...
Tuloyin kita doon sa boarding house mo. Pasok tayo ng motel. Short time lang naman. Iuwi kita. Short time lang.
Bastos.
Ngayon, di ba, Assistant President?
Basta maganda siya.
Anong magiging role ng isang Assistant President?
Secret.
Kasi ni-rape? Oo, isa rin lang. Pero, napakaganda. Dapat, ang mayor muna ang mayor. Napakaganda. Dapat, ang mayor muna ang mayor.
At bayulenting tao.
And if I have to kill you, I will kill you. Personally.
Pinayaran nila ang isang strategist para linangin at paniwalain ng mga tao na ang isang tulad niya ang kailangan ng bayan.
Did you ever work for a politician you did not believe in?
Oh, sure. I could convince myself of anything if the price was right.
How important is honesty?
Well, truth is relative in politics. The truth is what I tell the electorate the truth is.
Ang strategiya nila, takutin ang taong bayan at paniwalain na may krisis, na may malubhang problema sa drugs at kriminalidad kaya't kailangan ng isang bayolenteng tao.
Well, a man's strengths flow from the same well as his weaknesses.
Okay.
You don't change the man to fit the narrative. You change the narrative to fit the man. Since love and fear can hardly exist together, if we must choose between them, it is far safer to be feared than loved. This is a crisis. And our brand, what we are selling, crisis.
Hindi ba't ganyan na ganyan ang sigaw ni Duterte?
There's so much corruption, there's so much crime, and so much drugs flooding the country. And seems that nobody is minding this law.
Pati ibang estilo doon ay ginaya nila. At ang campaign slogan,
Es hora de un cambio. It's time for change.
at ang kay Duterte naman,
Walan, handa ka na ba?
Handa na po, Mayor.
Halika na, baguhin natin ang bayan.
ang turo nila sa kanilang kandidato ay huwag sumagot ng diretso sa tanong at ibahin na lang ang paksa.
Who gives a shit about what they're asking? The point is how quickly can you turn it around to what you want to talk about?
Gaya rin ni Duterte.
Siguro dahil maganda yung mga baril nila, mahal siguro yung mga pagbili doon sa mga baril na yun. Pero sa narinig ko po kanina na mas uunahin nyo po yung education kaysa sa defense. So ang tanong ko po, paano nyo po mai-implement yung ginagawa nyo po sa Davao City na ganun kaganda yung mga kagamitan ng mga kapulisan natin sa buong Pilipinas without compensating education? Yun lang, or without increasing the budget of defense. Yun lamang po.
Alam mo, ganito yan. Yung cathedral ng Davao City was bombed twice. On Easter Sunday and the morning mass on Christmas Day. Yung airport ko binomba. Just as the arriving...
Sana po pakisagot po yung tanong ng diretso. Kasi yung tanong ko lang naman po is, hindi po ba matadagdagan yung budget for defense sa pag-i-implement nyo ng ginagawa nyo sa Davao City, sa buong Pilipinas, if ever you will be the president. So sana pakisagot lang po ng diretso kasi nagtatanong po kami ng diretso dito para makauwi na po kayo.
Ang hindi paghingi ng sorry.
Do not apologize, but you do regret the incident, and you regret that.
I will not. As a matter of fact, I am even willing to lose the presidency. Do not make me apologize for something which I did.
At syempre, ang paulit-ulit na pagsasabi na may krisis.
Trying out the crisis message in the polls, sir, there are a lot of people who are saying that you are the only one who understands how bad things are. The message is working, or at least it's stopping the freefall. So I say now, we bet the house on it. We say it on the stump, we say it in our spots, we say it to the press. We own crisis.
Droga,
armed and dangerous criminals,
corruption.
Paano nga ba natapos ang pelikula? Nanalo si Castillo dahil nabola nila ang mga tao.
That's us! That's us! That's us! That is us!
2%, 0.2%.
Wait! Wait! That's
Ngunit, pinagsisihan din ito agad ng kanyang mga taga-suporta at pati na ng kanyang strategies.
Yeah, he did. He lied. That's the world. That's politics. That's how it works. Starts out with big promises and ends up with jack shit happening. I don't decide the man's policies. I cannot monitor his behavior after the election. That is not my job. Can't make him a good man.
People will get hurt.
Well, you know what? Getting hurt is unavoidable if you want to play this game. It's just what happens.
Hayaang maging ganito din ang pagtatapos ng ating eleksyon. Huwag tayong magpadala sa kanilang pananakot. Hindi karahasan at kamatayan ang solusyon sa ating problema. Nasa huli ang pagsisisi. Huwag nating sayangin ang ating mga boto.